All right, today we're going to talk about blind continuous contour line drawing. So it might look something like this in the end. Not much of anything really, but this exercise will help you become a much better artist. It'll make you more observant and better with your eyes when it comes to observational drawing. So the blind part, we're going to use a paper plate and put a pencil through it to cover up what we're drawing. We'll hold it like this so that when I'm drawing, my eyes can't see through the plate and see what I'm drawing underneath. That's the blind part. Continuous, we're not picking our pencil up off the paper. We're going to just draw steady lines the whole time. Instead of looking at the paper, our eyes are going to be focused on the object that we're drawing 100% of the time, never looking away from the object. All right, so for this one, you might be able to tell that I drew a key, because you can see the lines of the key, even though they're not in the right place because I wasn't looking at my paper, you can still kind of tell what it is because of the details in my lines. That's what we want to go for. And blind contour line drawing can be really fun. You just have to open up and be free with it and not judge yourself for not being able to make something look the way you think it should be. Just have fun, okay? So I'm going to start with a pair of scissors. Now, my eye, you're going to imagine that there's a little ant crawling along every outer surface, all the outlines in your object that you're looking at. So your eye is going to follow that imaginary ant all along the whole outline. So slowly down this blade, creeping up onto the handle. And while your eye is following this ant on your object, your pencil is drawing at the same speed that your eye is going as you move around. So I'm going to put my scissors in front of me, get my pencil ready, and I can start in the middle of my paper so I don't run out of space on the edge. And I'm going to keep my eyes on my object. I'm going to find a good starting place and then slowly make my way around the object, paying attention to every little detail that I see around the edge. I don't want to skip over any important information in my lines because the line is the most important part. Still not looking at my paper at all, no peeking underneath or anything like that, keeping my eyes on the scissors only because that's what I'm drawing. And I'm going to make sure that I draw the entire outside, and then I could go back on the inside and get these details inside my object too, but I can't lift up my pencil off my paper. So if I'm over here and I think that I want to go back and do the handle, just drag your pencil over to that where you think that handle spot is without looking and trace that. So that's what I did. You can kind of tell that it's scissors, but it doesn't really look like scissors, and that's okay. That's the point of this exercise. It's going to make you better at looking at what you're drawing, which will make you a better artist. So now that that's done, I can move on to more objects, and I'm just going to keep having fun with that. Thanks.